Did you know you can turn on dark mode on Microsoft Word? Now right now on my screen there is a lot of white and it's extremely bright, especially when it's getting late at night. I like to give my eyes a break to turn on dark mode. Let's start. Let's go up to the top left hand corner and click on File menu. Within the left file menu, let's go all the way to the bottom left hand corner and click on account settings. Just open up the account screen and right in the middle there is a color theme settings called middle theme. By default we are at the colorful theme. Now we can change that into dark gray. Now dark gray which makes my screen a little bit darker. Even if you want more dark, you can select from here black theme. One thing to note, when you can change the office theme, it will not only impact Word, it will also impact on other office apps like Excel, Access, PowerPoint and so on. Now just look at the page just like this, and if you are using it at night you can simply take your eyes a break and you can set settings on it.